Hello, in this video I will be showing us how to buy USDT or Doge from Binance and set it to cheaper cash and sell and get profit. First of all, what we are going to do is go to Binance P2P, filter price as like let me filter the price as like let assume that I'm buying USDT worth of 500,000 naira, right? 500,000 naira. 500,000 naira, right? Then I'll 500,000 naira. Yes, I will get USDT 828.6 USDT, 820, 828, 828 USDT. You see 828.6 USDT. And don't forget that there will be 0.1% charges of that transaction, that 0.1% of that transaction. And 500,000 naira, that will be around 500 naira. We'll minus it after, and I will be getting like 920, 900 and 9,000 480 Doge. So I will copy this. I will copy this figure. And let's go and try to send it to cheaper cash. Let me try withdrawing crypto. Let me use Doge. You see, when withdrawing Doge, all you need is 5 Doge, and that is the network that cheaper cash is using. Doge network, and they will charge you 5 Doge for transaction. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is go to my calculator, put the amount of Doge I'm getting minus 5, right? And I will be left with 9,475, right? So let me go to cheaper cash and see how much I'm getting for selling that amount. Yeah, here we are in cheaper cash, and let me go to Doge, right? Let me click on sell. Wow, and I will click on 500,000 naira. That will be 90452, 90452. Yeah, 90452, and our initial amount in the calculator is 9475. I will minus the amount in cheaper cash to that amount, minus 9452, and I will leave it 23. And let us go and check our, and our Dodge is at 52.97 times 52.97, and yeah. Here's our profit. Here's what we got for transacting 500,000 naira. Thank you.